Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a simple noodle dough. Mix 2 cups flour with 1/2 tsp salt so the base has structure. Then add 3/4 cup warm water slowly while stirring because controlling hydration prevents sticky dough. Once it binds, knead 5 to 7 minutes to develop gluten. This gives chew. Make sure to rest the dough covered for 20 minutes so the gluten relaxes. This makes rolling easier and prevents springback when you cut. Now you roll the rested dough thin. Aim for 2 to 3 mm so noodles cook evenly and quickly. Flour the surface lightly to avoid sticking. Once rolled, fold or roll into a log and slice to the width you prefer, because consistent thickness ensures uniform cooking. After cutting, separate the strands and toss them with about 1 tsp oil. This prevents clumping and makes portioning simple. If you need longer noodles, don't overfold. Unroll to finish, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add salt, about 1 tablespoon per 4 liters, so the noodles season while cooking. Drop the fresh noodles in. They need only 2 to 4 minutes depending on thickness, so test one for a slight bite. Once done, drain and either rinse briefly if you'll stir fry, or toss immediately with sauce to absorb flavor. Troubleshooting tip: if noodles clump, separate gently with a fork and boil 15–30 seconds longer, with stir.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.